My idea is to take the plane and sort of do miniaturized cities all over the plane. Sort of when you look at it from far away, it just looks like just a massive amount of detail, color, and little tiny 3D things coming off the fuselage. But when you get up close, you really can analyze that each one of the areas that I drew on the plane are actually places that American Airlines flies to from New York. I have changed the concept a little bit. It's been evolving, and I've been tweaking it as I've been going along. The cone shape at the bottom, we've kind of tweaked it and decided to make it a round column rather than the cone shape. It'll allow me more flexibility, and I think it'll turn easier. I guess we should unveil it. Go. Well, thank you very much, everybody, for being here. I'm very honored to be here with American Airlines to unveil my latest 3D sculpture. This has been a piece that I've been working on now for quite a few months, and it's finally come to fruition. It's been a challenge, but a labor of love. The bottom of the sculpture takes in all of New York City, and I wanted to have it glimmer and shine. And then the top of the plane goes into all the areas of where American Airlines flies to. And it was just a wonderful mix of materials and media, but it just came out great. And especially when you look at it with the lighting, it just makes it fabulous.